Lightning still showing up south of town. You can see it on live Viper radar right near the outer belt, the southern outer belt, right near I-71 at this time. Those thunderstorms have been moving slowly to the south, finally making them outside of the outer belt in northern Pickaway County. We've had some moderate rain falling near Commercial Point and right down US 23 in that area this evening. We've also been watching as a couple of heavier showers have developed near Circleville, and this line is starting to fill in south of Stoutsville and south of Lancaster this evening over in portions of Fairfield County as well. That's where the boundary is that we've been watching throughout the day. So we're seeing these showers, as we mentioned earlier this evening, kind of flaring up and then fading out along this boundary. And that's been the case through the day today. You can see the heaviest rain right along I-71 and I-70. That's where we've had anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches of rain that have fallen through the day today. You can see some pockets of heavier rain between Powell and Dublin, also down to the south side near Grove City at about 2+ inches. Same thing up in Knox County as well. So some heavy rain has fallen already throughout the day today, and if you didn't get it today, yesterday we had some heavy rain as well, so the ground definitely saturated tonight on the Mr. Ritter Tower camera. We still have good visibility here in the city. Temperatures have dropped in most locations back into the upper 60s to low 70s, but they are not going to drop much more the rest of the night tonight. The main reason being humidity very high, sitting at 90% right now. We have a north-northeast breeze at 9 miles per hour, so maybe another 2-3 degrees. That's going to be about it for the rest of the night tonight for overnight lows, and some locations could see some fog developing overnight tonight, and especially off towards the east. I think is going to be a better spot. We're already starting to see visibilities dropping a bit. Now in the short term, we'll see these showers still close to I-70, I-71, pushing south of the city and kind of fading out overnight tonight. Now as we head through the day on Tuesday, I do expect that boundary still to be in play. So as we head into the late morning hours and into the afternoon, we could see a couple more isolated showers developing through the day, and again, those could be efficient rainfall makers as they are going to be very slow, but I do not expect as wet of a day tomorrow, nor do I expect a very wet day on Wednesday as that boundary will start to push south of our area. So tonight, mid to upper 60s for overnight lows. Again, like I mentioned, 2 to 3 degrees cooler than where we're at right now. It will be a warm and muggy start to the day tomorrow. Some patchy fog for the first couple of hours. That begins to lift, but we are still going to see a couple of those pop-up heavy downpours through the day tomorrow, as we'll top right around 80 once again tomorrow afternoon. Wednesday, with that frontal boundary pushing further away from our area, may have an isolated shower in our southern counties. That'll be the best bet, but I do expect to see a little bit more sunshine returning. Temperatures still near 80 north of that boundary, and then the drier air starts to filter in. So that'll give us cooler mornings, but warmer afternoons with more sunshine. 82 expected on Thursday, up to 84 on Friday. That will be a dry day. Excuse me, dry day on Friday. Weekend does promise rain coming back second half of the day, Saturday into Sunday and early Monday.